Over the last 300 days, I've made $300,000 just from YouTube. And what if I told you that every morning you could wake up with an extra $1,000 to $5,000 added to your balance? Cover all your daily expenses, give yourself and your loved ones a better life. You could even replace your 9 to 5 or scale up your business. Yet, all you need to do is spend just a few hours a week recording videos. Moreover, you don't need any blogging skills, experience, followers, or expensive gear. So what's the only thing you need to succeed? Just know your own stuff in the niche you're familiar with, even cooking or fishing. We will take care of the rest. My team has developed 90% ready-to-go system that gives anyone the opportunity to make serious money with YouTube. The only thing missing in the system is you and your expertise. We've tested it with hundreds of people, from everyday experts to top-tier influencers and global brands, and guess what? They've all hit insane results, not only becoming popular, but also attaining financial freedom and security. Hey, what's up? I'm Arthur Weiner, and I've been in the content game for over 10 years. With all that experience, I am dedicated to helping as many talented professionals as possible. I know what it's like to be a true fan of your craft, yet not see the results you deserve. See that, kid? Yeah, that's me 10 years ago. Back then, I was already creating videos on YouTube, but it was a bit different back then. I was teaching my audience how to do card tricks, which eventually evolved into a blog about shooting and editing videos in general. As time went on, my channel started to gain followers, but I still wasn't making any real money. So that's when I decided to focus entirely on making content. And eventually, it led me to build my own production team. We began producing videos for other people, but more importantly, we cracked the code on not only racking up views, but also generating real income simultaneously. That's when we came up with our 90% system, and we are confident it's the perfect fit not only for you, but for any expert out there. Take this guy. He built his channel to 5 million subscribers and now travels the world with his wife, pulling in $26,000 a month just from YouTube monetization. Then there's Alex. He made over $324,000 last year, bought a brand new Tesla and his own house, all without ever showing his face on camera, just by posting recipe videos. Or take a regular doctor making over $30K a month. He is now the wealthiest guy in his hospital, and his channel focuses entirely on medical expertise. If you still need more proof, we've got family therapists, software engineers, teachers, psychologists, vloggers, lifestyle creators, dropshipping channels, real estate experts, tech reviewers, damn, even people doing esoteric stuff or blogging about gas stations. The point is, no matter the niche, you can build a popular blog and make millions while doing it. And yeah, you're watching this video right now, aren't you? That's because even in the blogging for bloggers niche, my team and I are making this type of money from our YouTube content. So how does the system work? Basically, it's about making sure your video content gets picked up by YouTube. The algorithms are straightforward, they just need time. Social platforms make most of their money through advertisers, but they can only show ads when people are engaging with content. That's why the goal of the YouTube algorithms is to make users click and keep watching for as long as possible. Our system hacks those key metrics, CTR and retention, ensuring that your content performs well and that the platform has no choice but to promote it. And trust me, you don't need to make videos about viral trend out there. You just need to focus on what you know best, because literally every niche is already represented on these platforms. All you have to do is create content about what you are passionate about, what you are good at. No need for a huge following, fancy equipment, or being some charismatic YouTube star. Our system takes care of 90% of the process. We'll research your niche, optimize thumbnails and titles to hook your audience, analyze hundreds of viral videos in your field, and help you confidently record videos that address the exact questions people want answered. We'll even set up lighting and video quality remotely, working with whatever equipment you have. The best part, you won't be relying solely on YouTube monetization for your income. Here's the bigger picture. We'll integrate your product seamlessly into every video, so viewers are genuinely interested in buying it. You just bring your expertise, even in the smallest niche. If you don't have a product to sell, Don't worry, we'll find one that fits your content, and you will start earning from sales as well. You might be thinking, why would I bother with this if I've already made a few $1,000,000? Well, it's simple. I'm not a greedy guy sitting in the bags of cash and rubbing my hands. I've helped my friends, my family, and hundreds of people worldwide because my system works universally. But look, I can't make a blog on how to be a ballet dancer, or how to invest, or what apartments not to buy in 2025, or even how to catch the best fish this winter. That's not my area. But what I do want is to see more people launching projects using my knowledge and experience. So I built this system, but the only thing it's missing is people. And about the money thing, yeah, being a millionaire is cool. It means you made money for yourself. But a billionaire, that's someone who makes other people millionaires. The founder of McDonald's only opened 10 restaurants, and now there are over 40,000 of them worldwide. I'm basically offering you my own version of a franchise. Guys, I'm just being real here. I only know my side of the business, the YouTube type of stuff. You are the expert in your field. And I'm not just trying to tell you that. I want to prove it to you. I want to see it for yourself. Whether you are a psychologist, building gas stations, or selling real estate, there are thousands, tens of thousands of people waiting to hear from you, who could end up becoming your clients. Now, let me be clear. You don't need a bunch of followers to work with us. You don't have to be a social media guru or know how to speak in front of the camera. The main ingredient in our system, the one thing everything else is built around, is you and your expertise. As our client, you get a full content plan with short and long videos, fully written scripts, video editing, and the right lighting and setup. Whether it's camera or just your smartphone, we'll take care of it all. Posting your content across social media, and 2 full months of support in a chat with me and my team. We will level up your business or just plug you into one of the successful business models out there where you just bring in clients and earn a consistent income, even without making your own product. It's very simple. Now, what if you don't buy in? Sure, you could start creating content on your own, but be prepared to be patient. One of our clients, Alex, spent 8 years making videos that went nowhere because while he was a real estate expert, he wasn't a content expert. Helen, who ran a Thailand travel blog, took off with her very first video with us, but before that, she had made almost 200 videos with no real traction. Yeah, working with us costs money, but what's your time worth? How much would it cost you to handle all the trend watching, script writing, posting, and editing for 200 videos on your own? All I'm asking is that you hit the button below, fill out a quick form, and book a free call with our program director. Don't wait long though. Your spot could easily be taken every day. Over 600 people join my system. That's one person every 2 minutes, and sometimes our agency just can't even catch up with this pace. So act fast. Our client pool for the next year closes this month. So what's it gonna be? A year from now, will you be watching new case studies from my clients, or will you be sitting in the studio with me recording a podcast about how you made it? Link in the description. This is Arthur Weiner. See you in the diagnostic session. Wishing you all the best.